If you want to log in or to sign into your Yahoo account, this is how you're going to do it. So this is your step-by-step guide in the year 2026. So first step, you're going to head over to sg.yahoo.com. And then once you're on this page, you're just going to click on this sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you click on sign in, you're just going to choose your account among all of these options right here, or you can also choose to use another account. So we're just going to choose to use another account from this page. And then from here, you can just type in your username, email, or your mobile number. And then after that, you're going to hit on next, and then you're going to use or to type in your password next. You can also choose to opt to stay signed in, or you can also just sign up from here, and then you can also choose to sign in with your Google account. Now, once you have entered all of your login credentials, you can just hit on next, and then you will be logged into your Google account. So let me just enter all of my login credentials right here. Now, after that, a verification code will be sent to your email, and all you have to do is to enter your 6-digit code right here in this field. After that, just hit on next, and then you will be taken to your dashboard. And that's it. That is how you're going to log into your Yahoo account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.